Oh shit. Hold on, guys. Oh shit, oh shit. Hey guys, it's Taylor. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix a PSP. You see how it's broken, don't turn on. I'm gonna tell you how to fix it today. First, you gotta get some of this right here. This, this, this soap. I don't know what it's called. It's soap. Get any kind of soap. Oh no. Don't open it like that. Just get any kind of soap. You gotta get the round kind like this though. See how it's round? And you gotta take, you gotta rub it on the screen a little bit. Okay. Okay, see? See? Just keep rubbing the soap on there. And then you smash the soap a little bit. Okay? Okay, next thing you wanna do, you're gonna take this Rubik's Cube right here. See the Rubik's Cube? You gotta solve it, okay? Hold on a second. You gotta solve this Rubik's Cube, okay? Let me solve it, see? Okay, you don't need to solve that Rubik's Cube. That was just an optional thing I died. Okay, so and now that you solved that Rubik's Cube kinda well, now you gotta take this deodorant, this brute deodorant. Yeah, you gotta take that and you gotta rub it onto the PSP. You gotta get it nice and good. And you gotta get don't forget the bat. The bat's the most important part. There you go. Now, hold on a second. Now that you got your PS4, it should look like this, okay? Now where's that soap? I threw the soap earlier. So, do you think you do duties? Next thing, okay, forget the soap. Next thing you want to do, you gotta get anything hard. I got this thing right here. I don't know what it is, but. And then you just gotta repeatedly bang the shit out of the PSP. And then take the battery out. Okay. Now the process is almost done. Don't worry. You only gotta do a few more things, okay? To show you think this too long, it's not long at all. Just a couple steps. It's just taking me a while, okay? You just have a few more steps, okay? I'm gonna take this pencil, it's gotta be number 2, okay? If it's not number 2, it's not gonna work, okay? And then you gotta, no! Okay? Now there's as much as lid on it. You gotta get that, you gotta pick up the soap again, okay? You gotta wash all the lid off. That should be good. And then let's turn it on. And then it should turn on, just like mine. See? See that? Fits good as new.